It's 2 a.m. Your phone rings. If you work in manufacturing, you know this feeling. It usually means something catastrophic has already happened in the production line. But in our story, I'm going to tell you that the phone call actually saved company over thousands of euros. How? Because an AI system spotted a vibration in the motor 3 days before it was going to fail. Today, we are talking about the shift from putting out fires to predictive control. If you want to stop breakdowns before they happen, you need to watch this. Let's be honest. Most factories are still stuck in the last century with two bad strategies. The first is run it until it breaks approach. This is a reactive maintenance approach. We wait for a catastrophic failure, then scramble. This leads to maximum disruption, cost, and risk. This results in unplanned downtime, extra rush in shipping of parts, risks to customer relationship, etc. The second approach is the guesswork approach. This is a preventive maintenance approach. We service equipment on a fixed schedule regardless of its actual condition. This results in wasting of money on unnecessary labor, discarding perfectly good parts, still facing unexpected breakdowns. Both share the same fatal flaw. They are blind to what is actually happening inside your equipment right now. So, we need something better approach. Now, let us understand predictive maintenance using a simple example. Think of it like you're a car. Reactive maintenance is similar to your car's check engine light. By then, the damage is already happened to the car. The second is preventive maintenance. This is similar to changing your car oil every 3000 miles. This is not a perfect solution, but you are changing for the prevention of the engine failure. And the last one is predictive maintenance. Now, in this method, your car is telling to you that based on your driving patterns, your brake pads might have weared off and you need to change your brake pads after 800 miles. So, this is based on the data which car got based on your driving pattern. This is not magic, it's data. This is how predictive maintenance work using data only.
So, how does a machine predict the future? It's very simple. First, we attach sensors like vibration or acoustic sensors to the machine. Second is connectivity. We send the data to the cloud. Third is the AI brain. This is the cool part. Machine learning models analyze millions of data points and they learn what normal looks like. And last, the alert. The system spots micro anomalies like a bearing running just zero point 0.3 degrees hotter than no human could ever notice. The machine learning model improves over time. The system learns from every event, every prediction, every failure, every false alarm to become more accurate. Prediction accuracy rate in mature system regularly exceeds 90%. Does this actually work? The numbers are insane. We are seeing 70 to 75% reduction in equipment breakdowns, 25 to 30% reduction in maintenance cost, 20 to 30% improvement in equipment uptime. These are not just cost saving, this is a fundamental improvement in operational capacity and reliability. A German steel manufacturer implemented this. In 18 months, they cut unplanned downtime by 52%, or an automotive supplier who saved their highest volume line from a 6-hour shutdown because the AI noticed a tiny flow rate change in their cooling pump. That's the difference between profitable week and a disaster. I know what you are thinking. This sounds so expensive, or my machines are too old, etc. etc. No, let's burst these myths. Myth number one, it doesn't work with an old equipment. False. Actually, older assets often give best returns. You can retrofit sensors into almost any machine, even one from the 1995, without modifying it. Second myth is I need a team of data scientists, etc. No, modern platforms handle the math for you. Your maintenance team just need to understand how to use the dashboard. This tool is to support your team, not to replace them. Third myth is it takes forever to pay off. Most manufacturers see a positive ROI in 12 to 18 months. Now, how to implement this? Don't try to boil the entire ocean and fix the whole factory at once. Start with pilot. Pick 1 to 2 critical assets, the ones that are very critical for your business. Run that for 3 to 6 months, prove the value, then expand the line to other areas. Then scale the facility and be ready for the challenges. You will have some data quality issues and false alarms at first while the AI learns. This is normal. Every technology comes with its own challenges. This is a transformation, not a magical bullet. Let's talk about some real challenges. First is data quality issue. There might be a false alarm from day one, but you need to tune the AI model and improve its accuracy. Then there is a cultural resistance. Some people says the AI system will replace them, but you need to make them understand that the AI system is to help you, not to replace you. Then the most critical is cybersecurity. As connecting assets creates a new attack surface, security protocols must be designed from day one.
Now, if you are thinking that you are future ready, then no. Predictive is just the foundation. Future is prescriptive and autonomous. AI not only predicts and recommends, but can initiate the corrective actions for certain issues like adjusting operating parameters in real time, recommends the optimal repair strategies based on production schedules, inventory, and cost, tells you what will fail and when it will fail. Mastering predictive maintenance today prepares you for the competitive advantages of tomorrow. This isn't just about better maintenance, it's about a better way to run your business. When equipment doesn't fail unexpectedly, you can optimize production schedules more aggressively. When maintenance is predictable, you can run leaner inventory. When data feeds back into operations, you create a cycle of continuous improvement. The competitive reality is manufacturers making this shift are seeing 20 to 30% uptime improvements. But you know what? In today's market, standing still means falling behind.